Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve Wi-Fi or wireless capability is turned off in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly click on Restart, then Settings. Now here click on Network and Internet, then click on Advanced Network Settings. Now here click on Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. Click on it. Now here click on Reset Now. And make sure once you reset you have to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and some your software like VPN client or virtual switches. So just click on reset, and once this reset complete, restart your PC or laptop. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve Wi-Fi or wireless capability is turned off in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.